Flux. Noun. The act of flowing, a continuous moving on or passing by, as of a flowing stream. Flux. Noun. A state of ongoing change. The schedule is in flux at the moment. Flux. Noun. A chemical agent for cleaning metal prior to soldering or welding. It is important to use flux when soldering, or oxides on the metal will prevent a good bond. Flux. Noun. The state of being liquid through heat, fusion. Flux. Verb. To use flux on. You have to flux the joint before soldering. Flux. Verb. To melt. Flux. Verb. To flow as a liquid. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.